Good morning everybody, CryptoStrang here. This morning I'm going to give another update on Gateio, and I spoke very fondly about this exchange, done quite a few videos, but I've seen a lot of emails from lately because they've just celebrated their 9th anniversary, which again shows absolutely fantastic. They've been around so long, all the bear markets, all the negativity about crypto, etc. Now, as we constantly get this mainstream adoption and so positive about crypto long term, it's great to see their 9th anniversary come around. Now, also, they've completely remodeled the site, new logo, so it's really fascinating to go through their dashboard. I know I've covered this before, but you can even see now it's got even more stuff on it. You know, you scroll there, like we stated in effect, you can actually now buy with a bank transfer and credit card. Took Gateio to the next level, didn't it? The markets, you got the price, you got the tracker, all the global currencies on there, the trade, easy, the spot trading. You can do leverage if you want to do that. The flash swap one currency with another in one click, make it very easy. Instead of doing the trades, instant click. The earn section, absolutely fantastic. Cover this forward, talk about liquidity mining. We've also got the lending and single asset vault, the cloud mining, auto investment, the copy trading you can do. You copy very experienced traders out there. The NFT section is very good. Trade, get some NFTs. The latest hype is there. Really in depth there with their NFT section. They talk about the startup, the news, the posts, the blogs, the live stream, the chat rooms. And also there, you can just see there all the calendar, the listings, which is really fascinating. I've covered it before. For example, Wizarder, when it was just on launch. It's never financial advice, as you know, but sometimes when they list these projects, the first exchange of projects going on is Gate. That's why we're stated with Gate. You get all the low cap gems listed on there. Often we talk about low caps and it's pretty much guaranteed it's on Gateio. So it truly is a wonderful exchange to be on. Now, a section we never sort of covered before is this bit here, the first part. And you can see the Hippo DeFi, the Gate chain, which again, we've done a dedicated video before about Gate chain. Talked today about the wallet IO, also Gate Ventures. So when you go on hippo.com, it's your gateway to DeFi. Automatic price comparison. You can also track your investment and finding opportunities. Similar to the old Blockfolio app, which no longer exists. This is sort of similar sort of thing they do with Hippo DeFi. So it really is a lovely little app you can basically get. You can track everything you got, check all the latest prices. So that's something else they've got. Now, you always think, what else can Gate do to develop? And they've always got so much part of their dashboard. That's why I love the exchange so much. I think it's absolutely fantastic, especially for newbies. Very easy to get started. Now, we've also got Gate Ventures, an investor, also a builder. Gate Ventures, the venture capital of Gateio, is focused on investments, decentralized infrastructure, ecosystems, applications that will reshape the world in the digital age. And it talks about their focus. Trust has been the core of social and financial activities. Decentralised infrastructure offers more efficient and trustless model. Ecosystems, talk about applications. And you can see that about the portfolio. All the companies that they're going to invest in. They believe in the real high quality projects. It talks there about Gate launches its venture capital fund. Their investment in the Woo network, 1 Inch network, okay? And in Soma Finance as well. So all the ones, they invest in high quality projects again. So with the launch of this promotion statement about the 9th anniversary, I've done this wonderful video as well. This is obviously on their Twitter. You can see it's a really exciting, given the overview of Gateio and its progression. It's just truly is a wonderful exchange. I love this video. It really is high quality, showing their plans, the way it's so high tech, their visions. And I say 9th anniversary. So that's really good to see. Also, as part of their 9th anniversary, they're doing these competitions. Gateio gold casting game, win a 999 grams gold bar. That's incredible. So basically during this event, it started literally last week. They're starting this event now. Log into your personal Twitter account or Gateio account to participate. You also got to follow their Twitter account, Gate_IO, and share a screenshot with Gateio turns 9 on your Twitter personal homepage after participating on the event page. All participating users can participate in the $50,000 token prize pool, and one lucky user will receive a maximum value of a 999 gram gold bar, which is worth $120,000. Just by getting involved with the 9th anniversary celebrations. So it states there the rules, how to enter, very easy, very straightforward, let's be honest, not complicated at all. And it also gives you a notice there. So if you want to do that, only take 5 minutes of your time, it's worth doing. Someone's going to win that. Someone's going to, users are going to participate in the $50,000, but also one person will get that gold bar. Life-changing money, okay? So it's great to see. Only time will tell who actually wins that, and I'm sure they'll be all over their Twitter. Whoever wins that, it'll be fascinating to see. Also with Gate, I've noticed they've been more sort of, always been very active on social media, but now sending us regular updates. I spoke before about coins when they get listed on Gate, it's only the first exchange. So what they're doing, actually sending an email now to everyone on Gateio with the latest news, new listings, etc. So when I scroll through this, I saw this press release basically from Miami, Florida. Vast, the multimedia NFT marketplace. I think this needs looking into more in depth because the investment round with leading blockchain venture firms, I looked into Skyman Ventures, Infinity Ventures and Spartan Protocol, have all invested in Vast. The Vast backers are basically saying are leading visionaries in the blockchain space, which is true. I've looked into more in depth. But also, initial seed investors include Huobi Ventures, Polygon Studios, HyperEdge Capital. Okay, so again, getting this email opens your eyes up to more projects. Now, I've never looked into Vast, VAST. I'll certainly be looking into it. It really does look absolutely fantastic long term. With all that, obviously, the investors speaks alone, But also talks here about, I've read about this, the co-founder of company WeWork, Adam Newman, is behind a new crypto project called Flow Carbon. And on Tuesday, the blockchain project revealed it raised $70 million from a handful of investors, which is absolutely incredible. 70 million. So that's another project to be on my radar to look into, Flow Carbon, whether they're going to launch. I have to find out what they're going to launch. And if it's something I really do like, then obviously I'll do a dedicated video so we can keep an eye on it. It talks also down here about the fact they're having an IPO, initial public offering. And so again, I'll keep an eye on that. It's just another one to keep looking out for. Might be excellent returns. Who knows, sort of thing. Also about this Microsoft Astrid DAO. It's basically exciting news from the Astar ecosystem. The project Astrid DAO being built on Astar has officially announced a partnership with Microsoft. So Astrid DAO is another one to keep an eye on. Now these sort of breaking news updates you don't really find this easy. So it's great they send this email. So this partnership obviously has huge implications for the ecosystem as a whole. So the fact they've partnered with Microsoft again is certainly one that I need to do a dedicated video soon if I like it. And I'll certainly be reading up more on that project. So again, what I like about Gate is the constant communication. Their customer support is absolutely fantastic. Obviously follow them on Twitter with the Gateio as well as their ventures. You can see they're 852,000 followers. And again, they're talking about the 9th anniversary. Okay, so very easy. This again stating what they've got to do. That's the pinned tweet, obviously. And also they talk constant on their Twitter about the massive returns you can get by staking and liquidity mining, etc. Again, it talks there about liquidity mining, as you can see. But that's all their Twitter is. It's constant updates. And they do AMAs as well, which again, I think is absolutely fantastic. So we need to scroll back. I mentioned this before. I've got a special referral link on Gateio if anyone wants to join. Does support the channel, entirely up to you. If you don't want to use my referral link, it's totally fine, but please make sure you use Gateio and not a phishing site. So you can see there, basically my referral, I'm getting basically just 10%. You can see there. That's all, it's the absolute lowest I can get is 10%, and the max you can get is 30%. So it's a real special offer. 30% for you. It's basically a trading bonus. I could be very selfish and put 0%, and I get the whole 40, but obviously I'm not going to do that. That'd be totally unfair. So you can see there. So my share is 10. Whoever signs up on my link is getting 30%. Now, when we talk about Gate.io, CoinMarketCap shows the top exchanges, okay, the volume, etc. Now you can see here, Gate.io is now number 6, making huge progression, okay. You can see there, the volume last 24 hours, 1.6 billion. Absolutely fantastic. It's got a great exchange score, which is always good to see. So that's why I really like Gate.io. Very transparent, honest. I don't think there's any other exchange gives you as much information as Gate.io. And also, again, I've done a dedicated video before on the Gate token GT. Now it's just gone into the top 100. It's now ranked 94 with $5.51. Okay, I've done a video before. It was a couple of dollars less than that. So again, we talked about Gate, the general usage with the Gate chain as well. And the Gate token's used a lot. It's got a genuine usage. So it's always great to see. It's actually had a high of $5.65 in the last 24 hours. You can see the supply, not a huge amount of supply. Really, 78.3 million. Total supply, though, is only 300 million. Okay, volume last 24 hours is 3.5 million. The market cap, 431 million itself. So, again, a fantastic potential with this token. I'm not saying it's going to do a Binance, but when you think of their Gate chain and everything else around Gate.io, their token long term is absolutely fantastic. Okay, so just want to give an overview of Gate.io's 9th anniversary launch. Really is fascinating to me how this project constantly develops. And as I say, it's just when you go back to their dashboard and how this has grown, so certainly over the last year or so, and even more so now, it's always got extras being added. Every section's got a huge amount of stuff to interest everyone involved with crypto, and I do like the new logo as well. So thanks very much again. Anyone help as usual, just email me, info@cryptostrang.com. All my social media links below. Anyone want to help at all getting started with Gate.io, don't hesitate to reach out. Have a wonderful day. We'll chat again soon. Cheers now. Bye.